Whoa, did you see that? What the heck was that? Carp? We're back on the river this morning. We're doing an epic trip. We're doing 6.3 miles. At the start of this trip, it's gonna be pretty narrow, and then it's gonna widen out as we get closer to the dam at the end of our trip. We're hoping to catch a lot of smallmouth bass today. We're gonna be stopping along the way, so this is kind of a mixture of a canoe trip and a fishing trip. So watch along and let's see what we can catch. Well, here we go. There's a good set of rapids here. Do you want to stop and fish at all?
No, not really.
All right, so we're gonna head down a ways. It's quite foggy. Water level seems to be a little bit up. All right, we gotta go down these rapids.
Yeah, go to the left.
Yeah, I think that's where we went last time. This is where we were fishing before. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I did not mean to do that. I meant to. I just steered us. I tried to steer us left.
Oh my gosh! So while the water was.
Yeah, it caught the back end.
Yeah.
So keep in mind when we're in current, keep it straight. Do not try to turn.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we didn't die. Yeah, that current on that outside edge. All right, we're at the base of these rapids. There's kind of two sections of rap. There's one on the outside that's pretty quick. There's some that come around this rock island. So there's a lot of like slack water right in the middle here. I'm gonna throw some top water to see. I've got a Zara puppy. See if I can get any bites. So yeah, one of the problems we have with canoeing is like we like to take a lot of different rods just so we can have a multitude of lures, and so I rigged up a little rod holder, just temporary. I'm gonna try to do a little bit better design later, but the idea there is just to get them off the bottom of the canoe and out of our way.
Yeah. I think here wouldn't be a bad place to fish.
I'll paddle. Had something?
Yeah.
So far we're spending about 10 to 15 minutes at each spot. We're usually anchoring up around the base of some rapids. We're heading down to a little bit sunnier section. Will hopefully warm us up a little bit. It's about 40 degrees, probably 43 degrees right now. One of the colder mornings we've had, there was a frost advisory, so I wonder how that's gonna affect the bite, but makes for a really pretty day. Work up a sweat. Did you catch one? You got one? Nice. He's running. No? Snag?
Snag. Yeah, this weed is one.
It's a lot of braid.
Yeah.
Well, like we normally do, we're cleaning up the water. Oh, that's a fishing rod. Is it worth saving?
We'll see.
That's the first time I've gotten a whole rod. We find the weirdest stuff.
I know.
We gotta make some distance. So, like I said at the beginning, we've got a 6.3 mile total canoe trip. We're doing some fishing without any success so far down the whole 6.3 miles. So we're going from a drop in at a park all the way down to the dam where we've stashed a car so we can drive back up to our van that has the mounts for the canoe. So just a leisurely paddle. I think we're about half a mile, maybe to a mile behind where we want to be right now. So we're gonna be doing a little bit of speeding up to cover some ground. So this is another one of the bridge crossings we've got. First a road and then a train. Looks like we're gonna have to take down our rods to get underneath this train bridge, but
Nice A-frame.
I do love train bridges. Pretty bridge. If anything, they'll be stacked up behind these pylons. A little shout out to Thanks Founders for the solid gold. Makes paddling a little more enjoyable. We're in between the train bridge and a highway overpass. We've got a golf course that's in this area. Just nice creek that kind of runs in with this nice bridge. So thought it'd be a good idea to see if there's anything hanging around the mouth of this creek. I'm throwing a square bill. I'm hoping that there's maybe some pike, some predator fish near the mouth of this. So hopefully a square bill will coax some of them to bite. It's a good amount of shade on the one shore. Oop, see all that bait fish? So bait fish busting over here. I'm gonna get them. There's something in here. Just gotta find it. Got one.
Yeah.
I knew there was something over there.
First one of the day.
Largemouth.
Not a bad large.
So I saw this, there's a bunch of bait fish that were just busting up on the surface over there. So I cast just past where that was, and he swiped it. Looks like he probably got the back end. This treble hook is giving me some problems. There we go. Probably about 13, maybe 14. Not too fat. I'll take it. First fish of the day after about 3 hours of paddling and fishing. All right, let's see him go. Thank you. Looks like there's a course for rowing. I think we're gonna run the gauntlet. Current makes it hard, man. We did it. All right. Woo! Whoa, did you see that? What the heck was that? Carp? So we're getting near the end of the road. We got the dam ahead of us. There's a portage over on the left-hand side, and his car is parked right behind there. So we're almost done for the day. Looks like we only caught one fish. Good portion of our time is spent just exploring the river, trying to keep a schedule and get down as well as we could. Had a good day. It was a beautiful, cool, sunny day, and overall had a really good time. Well, we made it all 6.3 miles. We didn't catch many fish. I caught one largemouth bass, but really this was about the canoe trip. This was about going the distance. So we wanted to see what was along the river, basically scouting it as we went down to see if there was any good spots that we could fish later. So we found a few good areas, a few areas that we want to spend more time in at another day. But overall, I had a really good time. The weather was really good. And thanks for watching. And if you like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks.